Hi all. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we have an interesting grammatical rule to discuss that was tested in the Civil Services Means Exam 2022, Compulsory English paper. Here's the sentence that appeared in the exam: no sooner I am out than the students make a noise. Pause the video and think if the word order is correct. At first glance, the word order may seem correct, but there's a specific rule we need to follow when using no sooner. The rule states that when we use no sooner, we need to invert the subject and the auxiliary verb in the second clause. Let's apply this rule to our sentence that appeared in the exam. The corrected sentence, in accordance with the rule, should be, no sooner am I out than the students make a noise. Notice the inversion of the subject, I, and the auxiliary verb, am, in the second clause. This inversion is necessary to follow the rule when using no sooner. To summarize, when using no sooner, it's important to invert the subject and the auxiliary verb in the second clause. This rule ensures correct grammar and is especially crucial in exams like the Civil Services Means, where attention to detail is essential. I hope you found this explanation helpful and that it shed light on the specific question that appeared in the Civil Services Means 2022 exam. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more language-related discussions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.